What up, guys? Happy New Year's to you guys. Let's get it. I just want to say, Happy New Year's, and I hope you guys are having a great time with your friends and families as we start with the new year, the first day of the year, which is January 1st, 2024, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what we're gonna be doing for crypto here, if I can get. All right, so let's get it. Gonna be buying all the cryptos. All the cryptocurrencies are positive. In the green here, you guys can see, except for Neo. Neo's down a little bit here. Looking for Bitcoin to come back to 43,000, and then the next move we break above 44,000. Okay, and then Ethereum, buying Ethereum for 2,400, and then the next move would be to break back up to 2,500 here. See, we're buying Litecoin, looking for Litecoin to hit $76 in value, and then to break above to 77. And then we'll see if it breaks back to 80 here for this week here. Shiba, looking for Shiba to go back to the 11 price mark here, and then the high price of 11.65 here. And then that's all I'll be looking at for Shiba. Dogecoin coming back up, looking for Dogecoin to hit the 9.5 cent area and then break 10 cents in value here. And then we'll see where it goes from there. Ripple, looking for Ripple to go up back to 65. And then the next move would be to break 70. And then the third take profit, if you want to really hold it, would be 75 cents. So once it breaches 65 and around 66, just pay close attention because there is a lot of consolidation in that price zone as well. Neo is going back down, so it is at a loss right now. I'm looking to buy Neo back to the price of 14. And if it does not come back up, then uh, don't waste your time on this pair. So this pair is in the negative zone right now, so we'll just pay close attention what's going to happen for the remainder of today. Obviously, it's still a holiday, so I mean the markets are still shifting and moving. Let's see here. Dash. Buying Dash 34 and then 36 and then 38. So 34, 36, and 38. So that's what I'll be looking at there for Dash here. Solana, looking to keep buying Solana back to 110 and then 120. And then the big move will be to break 130. Zcash, buying Zcash here, looking for Zcash to make a move back to 28 and then to 29 and then a big move back to 30. Tezos is the last pair, so looking for Tezos to keep going up. This is a really strong move here. 8.53% gain here for Tezos. Looking for Tezos to hit $1 and 14 of the high price here and to keep going. I would want to see a substantial uptrend move back to 125 and 130 for Tezos here. So other than that, that's all I have for crypto. Obviously, Bitcoin is still in this consolidation zone structure here. Obviously, the resistance is seen at 44.3, but then also support is still at 42.8. So we'll see how much more Bitcoin is going to try and drive itself up, especially with the price being driven uptrend here. So we will see what's going to happen. Other than that, any questions, concerns into the weekly analysis and the daily signals here, let me know in the Telegram chat group. Other than that, I wish you guys a happy New Year's, happy Monday, and kick off your goals this year for 2024 and to finish the year even stronger than last year. So other than that, peace out, guys. All right, guys. Happy New Year's. Happy 2024. Let's kick it off for this year. I hope you guys are having a great time with your friends and families and your loved ones. So let's get it to here. So guys, I can dive down here. Now, obviously, obviously, to be honest, obviously today is still New Year's, right? Still holiday. So I'm gonna go into Forex Factory. For today, you got a lot of bank holidays, days are going to be off. So we don't really start until Wednesday. There's no news for tomorrow. So this is on the economic calendar here on forexfactory.com. We have the FOMC minutes, which is January 3rd, which is pretty crazy. And then on Friday, we have non-farm payroll. So this is going to be a pretty crazy 3 days of high intensity trading in the high volume. That's what I'm expecting for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday morning. It's going to be your 3 days to kick it off. 2.5 days because I'll probably dive down after NFP is done. Then I'm just gonna not trade anymore. But be my guess if you want to keep trading after non-farm payroll is coming out. So this is the week here structure for the economic calendar here. Now we're going into buying the US dollar for this week. So looking for the US dollar to climb itself back up. So looking for 10, let's see. I'd be looking for 102, and then we'll see if it breaks above 102 from there. But that would be my move for buying US dollar for this week. All right. So we're selling. I'm looking to sell US 30 back down to 37,000. And then we'll see if it breaks below back down to 30, to even go below back to 36,000. So looking for it to sell. They're still in an uptrend, but I'm looking to sell for the retracement because they've been going up so high already. So selling S&P 500 for 4,500, and then we'll see if it breaks below down 4,500 here. And then selling NASDAQ, looking for NASDAQ to come down to 16. Woo, looking for NASDAQ to come back down to 16,000. And then we'll see if it breaks below 16,000 from there. Oil. Let's talk about oil. Just kidding. I'm not talking about oil. So I'm not trading oil at all. Just keep eyes on what oil prices are. So for gold here, looking to sell gold back down to 2060. That'll be my first target. And then 2050, and then 2040, and then 2030, and then 2020, and then 2010, and then 2000. So I'm breaking it in increments of $10 in the value of each price being broken down. Okay. So price is sitting at, let me move this out. So price is sitting at 2062. And I'm just breaking it down every $10 in structure of how much gold is going to keep going down. It's lost a lot of steam at the 2080 and 2090 price mark here on the weekly. So we'll see how much more it's going to keep coming down. Buying UJ, looking for UJ to make a move back to 142 and then to 143. And then the final move would be 144. All right, Euro, looking to sell Euro here. I'll be looking for this pair to come down to 110 first, and then to break back down to 109, and then to 108. And then selling the pound, looking for the pound to come back down to 127, and then 126, and then the final take profit would be 125. All right, Euro British pound. We get to buy this pair to go against the pound to the US dollar here back to 87, and then to break above to 88. And then that's all I'd be looking at. If it doesn't go above 88, then you should probably just end up taking profit from there. But that would be for the weekly swing structure here. All right, so buying U-Swiss, looking for the US dollar Swiss franc to come back to 85, and then to 86, and then to 87. All right, so UCAD, looking to buy UCAD here. Same, very similar setup from here back in, was it June? Back in June and July here. So very similar setup to here in the support price of 132. Looking to buy it back to 133 and then to 134. And then looking to sell Australia and the New Zealand dollar here. So look, we're buying, no, we're selling both these pairs back down to 68, and then 67, and then 66. And then for New Zealand dollar, looking to, we're going to sell this pair back down to 63, and then 62, and then 61. Other than that, big day we're going to pay attention to is Wednesday. We have the FOMC minutes, and then Thursday's the ADP non-farm employment change. And then Friday we have the NFP non-farm payroll. Yeah. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys. Like I said, it is still a bank holiday today, and they're gonna carry this on for tomorrow. So it is gonna be slow. I don't recommend any trading at all. I don't even know if you can trade anything today at all. So would not be advising any trades today. We'll see what happens tomorrow when the market actually tries to come back to normal. And so I know some of the markets are going to be open tomorrow, if not tonight, and then we will see what goes on from there. Other than that, I hope that you guys are actually enjoy your 2024 first day, New Year's Day, Monday, and like I said, be well prepared starting Wednesday, Thursday, and then finishing off Friday morning with NFP. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the chat group and Telegram. Peace out, guys.